Hello there, a new day, a new project. I just got this piece of equipment, and this is a really professional Flyth Pro box. I'm gonna have inside there, the mixer and my crossover and the power amplifiers and all the cables and all the extensions for the power supply and all the stuff's inside here. Of course, we got wheels, very nice and solid wheels on barrels. And this box is coming from Thomann in Germany. And like I said, it's a Flyth Pro equipment desk. Okay, let's see what we got in here. To open this is very simple. Just grab this. See, like this, turn 180 degrees, and the top is out. This is a special extension for this kind of boxes. See, we got this, how can I call it, ears that fits perfect into the case, and like this, probably, I don't know yet. And of course we're gonna have all the necessary, that's why it fits, and of course the main switch in here. Professional, and it's nice to have all the things together in the same case. And here, as you can see, we have those screws. These screws are going up and down to fit the needs. Okay, so it shouldn't be a problem to put all the things inside here, because these are regular Phillips screws. Okay, let's make room for these things to get in the right position, and it's good to have the biggest or the heaviest equipment at the bottom. And that's why I'm gonna have here my old but trusty QSC amplifier. It's damn big, but I can tell you, it's doing a great job. If there is no place, we just take out screws like that, and here same. The screws are looking like this, and they have a plastic washer here. Okay, there we go. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now I have to place the nuts in that proper position, and then to have the screws in. It's kind of tricky, but like this. One. Second. And same story here. Yeah. Okay. Now let's put this back in place. Well, but it's not heavy, it's super heavy. Okay, so we got this one here, goes at the bottom, yeah, perfect, perfect. The other, maybe I should put this a little bit higher. Like this. Well, good. And here, same story. Perfect. And now the screws. Don't forget the plastic washers. We need them. One. Best position ever. Here too. Nice. Great. So one of the power amplifiers got in place. Let's take the next one. Let me have some screws out of here before to make room. Maybe I should take them all out. Okay, same story. Prepare the nuts. Okay, and that's another power amplifier from C Audio, very strong, old school, lovely sound. And I'm afraid I have to take this down. Let me see if the top, oh no, it's okay. And here, same. Good to go. Nice. Okay, so the power amplifiers are there. And the last piece. The last piece is my crossover. And this is from Behringer. And that's a Super X Pro, a very good crossover. And that keeps all the things running smooth. Great sound with limiter and many other features. That's perfect. Another screw here. Oh, come on. Crazy. Now it fits well. Nice. And the last piece, of course, will be the main power extension up here. I think I use just a single, we can use two. Oops. It's a good idea to have this on top, and then I move the things a little bit to have a little gap of air in between the amplifiers and crossover and so on to help ventilation. Anyway, both of them, they have fans, of course. This one, like this. Okay. Let's see. No. Okay. So it's done. And I think it's looking pretty well. Oh yes, it's looking good, isn't that? Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's take it up. Well, I can tell you now, it's perfect. I'll keep this inside because these are for drying the inside box. Let's take a look behind. That's the inside with the power supply on top. And all the connections here. So this will be the main power supply. Power for that goes here. Number one. This one goes crossover. Signal. I made these XLR cables, especially having the signals. So stereo two-way. This one goes down, this one up. Let's have the low frequencies. This one goes here. And the other one, channel 2. The low frequency is connected. We need a power cable for this one. And this is a really power cable. I don't think that is a good idea to have the power cables and the signal cables in the same path. So I try to do something else here. I have them like this and the power cables away, eventually crossing the signal cables that avoid any kind of hum or interference. Of course, we are good here. Nice, perfect. And another two cables for, okay, this one's goes here, of course. And another one goes here. Well, people, we are good to go. Let's take a look. This is the this is the high frequency going up, low frequency going to the other amplifier down there, and the same story. That's the output, two-way configuration of the crossover. That will be the mixer and the power amplifiers and the crossover rack. Okay, so now I have to put all the loudspeakers together, to connect them, and we are good to go. Everything hooked up, the loudspeakers, and until now there is no noise, anything. I'm glad to hear that. And let's have some music. So everything is running smooth, and now we have to work with the crossover frequencies, and here we have the X-over frequency, and I can choose like let's say 350 Hertz. Okay, and here we have the gain for the lows. Same story here, 350 let's say, and the gain. And of course, and that's it for the high frequencies. Now for the low frequency. Everything is so fine. Okay, I think that's it for today. It's looking good, it's professional, pretty heavy but easy to transport because of the wheels. Thank you for now. I hope it's useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.